One thought, one word can help you manifest more. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about. Your dreams, your goals coming into manifestation through the ancient mysteries, the mind sciences, and of course, the law of attraction. We're here every day, Monday through Friday, so be sure and subscribe and always click that bell icon. Oh, one word, one thought, one idea can change your mind. How about, high flyers, just go with me on this for a moment. How about a one-word vision board? Well, many years ago, Rachel and I were searching every antique store in the Portland area. We were searching all the yard sales, the garage sales. We were looking for a special mug. You see, I like to sit at my desk and I almost always have some tea or coffee in my mug. And I said to Rachel, I said, I have an idea. The thing that I probably look at the most throughout the day is my mug, because I'm constantly picking it up and having a sip of coffee. I do it when I'm mentoring. I do it when I'm on the computer. I do it when I'm writing. So I said, what if my mug, what if my mug, not this mug, the mug I drink out of, what if it meant something to me? What if it excited me? What if it was kind of a mini vision board? So we went out, we looked everywhere, as I said. I ended up with a mug. My first mug was that of a gnome. And it was a very cute mug. I thought, well, okay, it's a gnome. Gnomes are earth elementals. They're very strong. They're powerful. They're ambitious. They're industrious. They're magnetic. It didn't work. Every time I picked up the mug, I laughed. I mean, it was like a laughing mug. And though it was cute, it didn't inspire anything within me. So then, one day I was at a Starbucks, and they had a coffee cup. I think they still have them. They're a little bit different now, but they have a coffee cup like this. And the coffee cup came with a white pen. You see, this is literally a chalkboard on the cup. So you can draw little hearts, you can draw people's names, you can draw pictures, you can put words. I looked at that cup and I felt it in my hands. I said, oh, feels good. Yep. Gonna drink good, perfect, and I can write something on it. I got home and I wrote one word. One word I wrote on that cup. And that word, it made me a pile of money. It brought in investments and opportunities like I had never experienced before. I mean, I was jumping up and down, and I had to write the word on every day, because if you watch the cup, the word goes away, and then you have to rewrite it every day. The word is simply more. More. So every time I would pick up my cup and see the word more, I would think of more love, more happiness, more excitement. Oh yeah. More money, more joy, more of everything that I desire. And every time I had a cup of coffee, every time I went to sip that coffee, I would see the word more and I'd say, it's time to attract a little bit more. You see, one of the things we do, high flyers, is we put a limit on ourselves. That word more took away that limit. It literally evaporated that limit. And I used this cup day and night. There was a period of time, I have to admit this, Rachel's sitting right here. She'll verify it. You can write her. When I wouldn't even allow her to wash the cup, I would drink everything was going so well. Now, I love this one-word vision board. And you can do it with any kind of a cup. If you can't write on the cup, you can take a piece of black paper and just tape it to the cup, or black plastic and write on it with a paint pen. The word more. I know you'll come up with all kinds of creative ideas, but the word more, it's so powerful because it says, whatever I believe my limit is, I can have more. I can attract more. I can manifest more. And it also says, whatever I believe my personal limit is, I can do more. I can become more. I can achieve more. I can learn more. I love this. It works for me. It's worked for several of my clients that I've shared it with. It's an incredible idea. I know it sounds simple. It sounds almost ridiculous. Do it for 28 days and then write me about how you are bringing more into your life. Okay, you have a good day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.